Good morning, all. Welcome back to my channel, Advocate Jayashree's Musings on Law. Today, we will look at a recent Honorable Supreme Court's judgment, which is an appeal, of course, second appeal. The first was filed before the MAT, that is the Motor Vehicles Act, under the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal. The Honorable Supreme Court on a second appeal. The next, after the MAT decision, the matter was taken up by the Honorable Gujarat High Court, and again the second appeal was taken up by the Honorable Supreme Court. The question was whether the minors could get compensation in an accident and how much do they get. That was the question. The Honorable Supreme Court struck the decision, that is the judgment of the Honorable Gujarat High Court, saying that minors' compensation should be decided upon the potential earning capacity of the minor. None of us can say whether the minor will grow up in a good way, whether the minor will be growing up in a negative manner, but the common sense, the common perception looking at any minor is that the person will grow up to be a earning member of the family. So, while deciding the matter, the Honorable Supreme Court said that where there is an injury or where there is death of a minor, then the compensation should be decided upon the potential earning capacity of the minor. A basic minimum shall be taken up as the earning capacity of the minor, because we still don't know. Minor is up to the age of 18 years. So till then, of course, the person will be in school and college and all that, but there is no appropriate direction which would have taken place in the child's future. So they're saying that, okay, the person will be an engineer, an automobile engineer, or maybe a doctor, or maybe an advocate, or maybe any software engineer, anything you can take up. So we have absolutely no idea what the child's mind has for future. Therefore, basic amount will be taken up as the potential earning capacity of the minor, and compensation may be decided upon such amount. So this is what the Honorable Supreme Court. So the main crux of the Honorable Supreme Court's judgment in appeal is that minors' compensation should also be given, and it should be based upon the potential earning capacity of the minor. That's how the calculation should be. So this is quite useful looking at the accidents happening nowadays. But of course, there is also a law which says that any minor who rides or drives is liable for offense, punishment under offense, under the relevant criminal law. So, if the minor has been driving or riding a scooter or anything, then that becomes a different issue altogether. But for the purposes of compensation, this is what it is. I thank you.